Hello everybody and welcome to Coding and Loading. Today I'm going to show you how to make a digital clock in Python. I got this idea from someone. I learned from them, and yeah, I'm going to show you credits in the description. So I'm going to use the exact same code as the person that made a tutorial, but I'm going to explain a little bit more. Oh, also, save your file as, I don't know, for example, digital clock as an example, and name it something and convert it into Python, and it should look like this. So from TK, Tinker, import TK. So what this does is it imports TK from the TK intermodule, and TK is basically the window. The window, you know, a window. I'll show you later. Also from TK import label. We will use label to put the text in our clock. Oh, actually we don't need it from. Import time. Pretty self-explanatory. Let's import the time variables. Import sys. So sys is, it checks information on your laptop, like external thingies, like, I don't know, time. Yeah, nothing on here. I just want to check. Yeah, like time, in this case, it will be checking variables on your computer. Let's say root equals tk. Root main loop. So main loop is, don't forget the brackets. Main loop is that it will continue to be a window forever unless you close it. Wait, hold on. Yeah, okay, so this is our window. Yeah. So that's what I meant by window. Also, as you may see, the title is TK. So let's change the title to something more recognizable, like digital clock. I'm just going to quickly write extra information. Postscriptum on the, just so you know, a memory, June 2024. Okay. So the first part is already done. We have created our window. Well, let's open it again. So as you can see, the title is now digital clock example 2 great writer. Yeah. It won't show the whole title because it's too long, but anyways, let's make a function called get time in the video brackets, because not in this case, but in some cases you need to put in parameters, and it's that you have to put it in the brackets. Okay. So time var equals, I'm just making a variable. This is where it gets interesting. Time dot strf time. So strf time is, it has different formats for time. Yeah, like this one. Percentage y, uppercase Y means yeah, percent has a decimal number. So you'll see in the middle what I'm talking about. If you want a normal clock, then just put in like this, a semicolon, obviously, because it's a clock. And there we go. Hour, minute, second, and semicolon in between. Clock configure. So clock, actually, no, I don't know. Clock is going to be a variable that we're going to make in a bit, and this means configure. So the text will be time variable, or time var for short, and clock after. So clock after means what what do you want the computer to do after the function has been called? So every 200 milliseconds we're going to update to see if the time has changed. And yeah, the seconds changed, so you know it's going to update every second. 200 is not 200 seconds, it's milliseconds, so it's 1/5 a second. What does it matter? Then it will sorry, and then get time, so we'll call the function. And now it's actually make the variable. There's not a word process. Label. So we're going to make the text. It will be stored in the root and fonts. So brackets, apostrophes. Let's use Calibri. You're probably familiar with these kinds of fonts. And the letter size for 30. Background color of the window, let's say white. Yeah, actually white. And remember that foreground is the fill-in of the text. So remember that Python is in American English, so you have to write it like as gray, not as an A. Clock.pack brackets, so it will stuff all the clock properties in the root, because yeah, it's already there where we want to pack it. Get time, it will call the function. And now we have our own clock. In fact, I have messed up the colors. Wait, this has to be grey, and this one has to be white. There we go. Okay, so this is our clock. I want to show you something. Let's see. Yeah, I'm good. This one, I think this one is better. If you guys want to have a tutorial on how to make a day clock, then because actually sometimes you ask ChatGPT if you want to help you, and ChatGPT just told me how to make a day countdown or something like that, and I thought I should include that because it's really useful. And do not always use ChatGPT for answers. Use it if you want help or something like that. Yeah, this was a really fun video. Don't forget to save. And goodbye. See you in the next video.